Let me show you all display settings available on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. So we're gonna open settings, and then here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the display and brightness. Here we can find the light and the dark mode, so you can choose whichever you prefer to use. We also have dark mode options where you can turn on the dark mode for specific apps, and you can also turn on automatic dark mode, which allows the phone to switch between the light and the dark mode based on the selected time over here or based on sunset to sunrise. Now, besides that, we have screen brightness settings where we can change the screen brightness over here on this slider. We also have the automatic screen brightness, and if the automatic screen brightness is off, you also have access to the sunlight mode. Besides that, we have the color scheme option where you can adjust the display colors. We have, at least in this case, we have 4 different options. We have vivid, saturated, standard, and advanced. And in the case of advanced settings, you can tap on this arrow on the right side to set this up by yourself. And the remaining 3 options also have access to the color temperature over here, which can be set to warm, cool, default, or custom. So you can of course tap anywhere on the wheel or actually drag the white circle around the wheel to adjust the color temperature on your phone. Then we also have the reading mode, which is the blue light filter. It turns the screen yellow or orange in order to protect your eyes. We have cycle and classic, and in the case of classic, we can also adjust the color temperature and texture and also adjust colors in here. And of course, we also have the schedule, so you can make the reading mode turn itself on and off automatically. And of course, the refresh rate. You can change the refresh rate of your phone. By default, we use, of course, the default option, which allows you to use up to 120 Hz most of the time, unless there is a higher battery consumption. In that case, if it is, then you have only 60 Hz. But of course, we can switch to custom and you can choose your refresh rate in here. Now, furthermore, we have additional font settings. We have the font option, which redirects you to the themes app, where you can find a bunch of different fonts and you can install them on your phone. And you can also go to font settings in order to find all your installed fonts, and you can adjust the size of them, of the font of the text on your screen that is being displayed, and in the case of MI Sans, the thickness of the font as well. And that is pretty much it in terms of the display settings. Of course, we also have some other stuff, for example, in personalization, where we have, for example, the always on display fingerprint effects, always on display notifications, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out as well. That's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.